Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful videos. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix TikTok no internet connection. Please try again later. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. First of all, you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, simply turn on aeroplane mode and simply turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then open Wi-Fi, tap on that warning button, forget this network and reconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And open VPN and make sure that your VPN is disconnected. If you are connected in a VPN, then disconnect it, and after that go back, tap on journal and then tap on software update, and you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then simply update it. Now after that guys, you have to simply tap on background app refresh, and from here guys, you have to make sure that the TikTok toggle is turned on. And after that guys, simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. After resetting your network setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helped you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.